Okay, so we are on board the Ritz-Carlton Yacht Collection. This is the Terrace Mid-Suites room. It's a really, really nice room for a cruise. You have a nice king-size bed over here. Very, very comfortable, just like the Ritz-Carlton would be. Check this out, they give you an iPad where you're able to control everything, request room service, check out what's going on. Everything is controlled on this iPad. Over here, you have your closet space. You have your robes, where to hang stuff up, places to put your suitcase. Over here, you have storage space. You have dresser drawers down there. Over here, you have at least a 50-inch, I would say, screen TV. Really nice with your welcome stuff on board. Your remote down here. Over here, you have your desk area where you're able to complete your work if you're on here yachting for a long time, with more storage space over here. Really nice light fixtures and decorations. And over here, you have your coffee pot. You have your coffee maker, espresso maker. You have your mini fridge down here to put anything that you need to keep cold in. They do greet you with the welcome gift right here. Bottle of Moet champagne. Can't go wrong with Moet. It's an amazing room for a cruise ship. Amazing. And out here, you have your own personal balcony. And it's crazy, we're in Rome right now, so we're at the ports. You have an amazing view of anything that's going on outside. And we'll walk back over here. I passed the bathroom up. We have the bathroom over here, which is a very luxurious bathroom. Again, for a cruise ship, this is crazy, honestly. Very nice his and hers sinks. Plush towels like the Ritz-Carlton would have. Over here, you have your toilet room, separated from your shower. You have a rainforest shower head at the top, the regular faucet over there if you need it as well. I keep emphasizing this, but for a cruise ship, it's crazy how much it looks like a Ritz-Carlton room. You guys are sure to love it. It's one of the best rooms I've ever been on a ship, so hope you guys enjoyed it. And here we are. Bye-bye.